Welcome to West Coast Kia. My name is Nicole. Today I am going to show you how you come in for your first service, where to park and where to book it. We'll show you that this is where you have to come in for your service, and then we're just going to drive around to this side of the building. Here, all you need to do is pull in and stop right at the door. So you just pull your vehicle here and just park here. So if you're dropping your car for service and it's after hours, you would just pull in, leave your car here. You'll grab your key and we have a drop box for you. So all you do is you open up here, there will be a sheet with the paper, you just fill in your information, phone number and that, you put your key in the envelope here, and we have a drop box, and you just slide it in here and our service technicians will have it first thing in the morning. And once you've parked, you would just come in, leave your car here and come in the service door area. Once you come in, you just come and meet with one of our service advisors, just hand them your keys, they'll take your info and you just have a seat in the waiting area here. It should take about half an hour.